Cloudy, dull and damp today with outbreaks of rain and drizzle, cold enough even for some sleet and snow. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Monday.
Grey. It is cold and miserable, and actually there's very little change as we head through the week. Here's the details. Pretty much where we left off for the weekend is where our weather this week starts and actually stays for most of it. And it's down to the fact that we have high pressure sitting with us. It blocks these weather fronts, making progress from the Atlantic. So we haven't got any stormy weather to come this week, but what we have got is a lot of cloud, and the winds come from the easterly direction, bringing in a lot of cloud and these... Good morning to you. We have pretty settled weather as we head through the next few days. What do I mean by settled? I mean, we haven't got low pressures, and it's low pressures that bring stormy conditions and wet and windy weather. High pressure is the main dominating feature of our weather, and it's high pressure that keeps these deep lows at bay, but they make some progress by the end of the week, right? Because there's a good chance of having seen the northern lights. Maybe there's a better chance later on this week with some clearer skies. So how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, first of all, we look at the north of the UK. Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England. This is the line of our temperatures where it should be, around about 7 degrees. So we're a little below average for the rest of the week. Percentage chance of rainfall. Well, we've got some cloudy skies, and there's enough to give a little bit of sleet and snow in the forecast for the next few days. Perhaps less grey is the best I can give you for the end of the week and the start of the weekend. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, looking at our temperatures compared to where they should be, and they sit below average for the next few days, sitting around about average at best later on this weekend. But percentage chance of rainfall, we start with the greyest conditions at the beginning of the week, where there's rain, sleet and a bit of a snowy mix in there as well. And then Thursday and Friday and into the start of the weekend, the percentage chance of rainfall decreases. We see maybe even some glimmers of brightness, but the outlook for many of us is cloudy and cold with a little bit of sleet and snow in the mix too. Morning to you. The weather this weekend was cloudy, grey and dull and damp, and we stick with that theme of weather today and in fact for much of this week. It is cold enough for some sleet and snow. This is the latest satellite showing that it's very cloudy, and the radar shows the blue where we have rain falling, but the white through parts of northern England and southern England that is a mixture of rain, sleet. The weather left off from the weekend as a pretty cloudy, grey one, and that's how it's set to continue as we head through the rest of this week. Pretty cloudy skies, outbreaks of rain, cold enough for some hill snow, and an easterly wind that will make it feel sub-zero. The latest satellite shows how cloudy it is, clearest in the north, with outbreaks of rain heaviest through southern areas of England and the far south of Wales. We keep this easterly flow of air, so the heaviest rain for the southeast, but dull, damp and drizzly for much of England and Wales, brighter for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but the wind making it feel like freezing.